Magandang araw sa lahat ng mga Pilipino sa mang sulok ng mundo, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ito ang Kabirada Lance Channel at ako si Lance. Para sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, paki-subscribe naman at paki-like and share. At kung meron kayong masasabi sa video ito, paki-comment at pag-usapan natin sa comment section para naman tayo magsama-sama panghabang buhay. Paki-hit ng notification bell at tayo magsama-sama forever. Okay, nandito na ang balita.
Ang sagot naman ito ni Trillanes, open your bank account. Makihati ka pa sa putang inang pera ko. You know, sa bangko, huwag kang magtanong kung saan ko nakuha yan. Nakuha ko yan sa hold up, nakuha ko yan sa smuggling. Wala ka nang pakialam. Nandiyan yan sa bangko. Pero ito, simple lang, opening of the bank na libro. Hindi naman bangko yan eh. So, audit.
Pero bingi man sila mayor sa
Ang hindi talaga ino-audit, telling you now, without batting an eyelash, ang hindi ino-audit, Office of the President, pati Office of the Speaker of the House. Hindi ka magtanong ka ng witness. Katabi ko, speaker man yan mo. Tanungin mo ba kung may malakas ba na sira ulo dyan sa audit na mag-audit. Audit lang yan.
So Mayor, you are saying that you are open to opening the books of how she spent the confidential fund.
Of course, yes, to. Nandiyan, inaano lang nila yan. Hindi pa yun na careful masyado yan. Alam kasi niya. Kaya ingat.
So why can't she just explain it, Mayor?
Ina-explain na nga ha. Sa document nasa documentary ano pa. Ngayon pag na-present na lahat sa COA, kaya sa COA ang ibang dokumento eh. Kaya nga sabi niya si Laika, wag mo na munang ibigay dito. Kumpletuhin mo na yung COA audit namin.
But that was the reason that Attorney Zulaika was.
With that, what is contemptible sa
In a word, how would you describe all these procedures from the Senate to Congress calling you and your children for investigation?
No, I cannot talk for the Senate. The Senate, it's a bit formal.
Well, at Congress,
Tanungin mo si Bebot. Si Bebot man nandun. Bakit ako tanungin? Hindi man ako congressman.
how do you see this, no?
Siya.
Ikaw gani ako ni pangutana. Kung sa'yo mo tanawan ni kinahimo ka sa Congress, no?
Guwapo eh, Bebot Alvarez.
Ikaw gani.
Kaya nga aking sasagot dito eh.
Ikaw na.
Bugwa kanta ka ni Ron, ano?
Layo. Asa pa yung feeling, Mayor, na marag personal naman inyo, ha?
Para kayo naman, you are yung pretended naivety ninyo klaro masyado. Alam mo naman yung politika yan. Alam ninyo walang oposisyon, walang liberal. Kaya nga ako naman, I'm aghast na ang nila Marcos pati Duterte. Bakit Duterte? Wala man kami opposition kami in the sense that we can talk against them on many issues. Pero hindi sabihin mo na pero ang labas ngayon ang walang iba yung nawala yung nasyonalista, liberal, ako po PDP, but kami na nga yung ano yan, ewan ko ba.
So you're the opposition now.
Hindi man, but we will talk about issues against government. For, if it is for the people, if it is for the interest of the people, and against, if it is not good for the people.
So are you open for those other politicians who would come in and join your group?
Wala mang matapang na politician yan. Bebot lang man.
Sir, there are
Who will join you? Walang matapang?
Ha?
Walang matapang na politician who will join you?
Mas grabe ito. Bebot kay gina nung military, paano na niya? Military, wake up.
sir, there are observers now from other countries.
Hindi ganito yan.
There's
Ha?
a silent martial law in the Philippines.
Yeah, correct. Yan. Ang tao ngayon wala nang mapuntahan. Kasi kay July ka. Biro mo, there was an order at a certain point yung the other night, dadalhin siya sa correctional institution. Kung natuloy nalagay siya, saan siya magtakbo? Hindi magagalaw itong Supreme Court kasi separation of powers. Lalo na Malacanang kasi itambalos-los bata niya. So itong tao lang matakbuhan. Yan ang sinabi ko. There is a fractured governance. Nabali lang, hindi lang na-sprain. There is a fractured in the governance sa ating Pilipinas ngayon. Walang makakorek niyan. Nobody can correct Marcos. Nobody can correct Romualdez. Nobody can... it's a long process mapapil sa Supreme Court. Unless you dala ka ng kaso doon, matagalan yan. Mga next year pa yan. So if you want a redress of grievance, there is no urgent remedy. So it is only the military who says. Kaya ang sabihin ko, presidente ako, nakita ko ang sitwasyon. Kung gano'n rin ang presidente na in face of so many errors there, nagtupak-tupak na ng hanggang nagkaroon ng breakage, a fractured governance. It is only the military who can correct it.
Are you saying a military junta can answer?
No. Sinabi ko sa lahat yan, magtanong ka ng sundalo niya, yung mga opisyal dyan, sinabi na magpunta ka. Sinabi ko lang, it is only the military who can correct it. Now, to answer your question, ibig kong sabihin ang military, well, it's an option sa military. One, they just can sit there sa upuan nila, doon sa bukid, maglinis ng barel. Magsabi lang sila na we are not anymore hindi na sila magkudita na magpunta yung tangki digira na sabihin lang nila na ayaw na namin yung laro ninyo. Out kami dyan. Kasi kung walang military, yung laro nila, wala na.
What do you mean out, Mayor? Hindi
Getting
sila
out
sa...
means-
I don't know, basta hindi yan kudita, hindi yan basta sabi ng military. You are oppressing people and you are spending our money like water pati kami in the coming days, mawawalaan kami ng aming retirement, magalaw, hindi kami sasalin sa inyo.
Silent protest. Not taking orders at all.
Hindi silent protest, military lang talaga.
Oh, military silent protest na yun. Will not take orders from the commander-in-chief.
Ano?
They will not take orders from the commander-in-chief. That's it.
Hindi, sabihin lang nga niya, Sir, wag mo kaming isali. Pati kami, ang mga asawa ko nagtrabaho sa gobyerno, nakataya. Tingnan mo naman yung pera. Kinuha ninyo sa GSIS, PhilHealth, 89.
Ito ng Sabo service.
Pero
Pinagbili nila, saan itong pera? 25 tons of gold reserves natin, sold amounting to 129 billion. At least sa Congress, kung may resolution, tapos i-bill that would correspond with it, there's explanation of how the money is going to be spent. Pero ito, paano ito ngayon? Sila na nakaalam nito. Yung Maharlika, sila na nakaalam nito. Walang participation ang people dyan, pati ito. So, ganitong 25 tons. Alam ba ng military yan? Hindi sabihin nila, kung wala hindi na kami sasali ng laro ninyo.
Pero Mayor, parang play safe naman ang
How do
military
you describe
ngayon.
the military namin?
Do you think si Browner po ay mag-react nito?
State your restate your statement.
That Browner will react?
When ito, pag nilabas din ito, your question must also correspondingly appear. Importante yan. So, guard.
Oh, kasi may statement siya, dapat partisan, dapat parang stay put lang yung military. Wala naman siyang sinabi, no? In fact, si Inday na nagsabi na tulog-tulugan yung chief of staff. Paano daw makakatulog yung AFP chief of staff?
Bilyan-bilyan yung nawawala.
Matagal na siyang natulog. Alam niya yung commander-in-chief niya nagdudruga. Noon pa yan, alam na ng lahat. Baka siya lang ang hindi. Ang mga polis. Kaming taga Davao, alam namin si Lagdameo nagdudruga. Kasi kasama namin siya palagi dito sa diyan kay Pedro. Kaya yung SIPO ni mag-usap kami, yung SIPO ni Lagdameo magtulo yan. Hindi niya alam nagtulo yung SIPO niya. Minsan gano'n na lang niya. Alam ni Marcos na si Lagdameo durugista. Alam ni Lagdameo na durugista. Magkasama yan sila sa hit-hitan. So, another appropriate question would be yung ito with sincerity. Kayo bang mga military pati police, would you still continue to support a drug addict? Alam ninyo kung mga tanong lang yung Presidential Security Command, puro military man yan. You did not go far. Yung mga tao ninyo sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict na presidente? Sabihin mo sa amin. Kasi nagpapatulong kami to get the answers. Sana We cannot get a correct and accurate or true answer from kami ang magtanong. Barado kami ngayon eh. So under the constitutional provision of the right to be heard, kailangan sagutin ninyo yan.
But would it help if one would...
The right to be heard, the right to be informed. Importante yan. Constitutional provision yan. Mr. General sa military. And the right of the people to seek redress of grievance. Kayo lang ang makabigay niyan ngayon. The right of information, you protect that right and allow us to use it. And we are seeking for redress of grievance of the abuses of government. Huwag na lang yung dalawang babae na inaano nila. Karaming sabi, ganon, tantrum. Hysterical yun, hindi yun ano. Eh, kung ikaw may kasama ka na worker mo, nag-delirium na, what are you supposed to do? Ako sa isang tanong na, Mr. Military, give us that right. The right of information that is true and correct, the right of redress of grievance, and the right to protect us.
To be short of challenging Browner na. To be short of challenging Browner na platform.
Wala akong tina-challenge. I don't have to challenge to anybody. I'm challenged to the military itself. The whole of the military, kasi sila ang supposed to be protector of the Constitution. Now tell me, kung protector sila ng Constitution, are they willing to still protect the president who is a drug addict for another 4 years? At kung sabihin mo hindi nila alam, Pinas, guys, follow the president, start smoking marijuana and graduate sa Cebu. Yung presidente ganon, the best example is ganon.
But people are looking up to you as a patriot and nationalist. Ikaw yung
And then people looking at me because that president is silent. Kita mo wala siyang ginawa. Dapat at first stage pa ng laalitan, sandali. Hindi naman dumaan estudyante yan eh. Yan si Sulaika, anak ni Joe Lopez yan. Sigma Rowan. So marami yan siyang niya.
But people are saying, pag muhin mo si Tatay Digong, alsaming tanan. So how do you react to all this?
Ayaw ko kasi presidente ako. Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go awry. Ganyan na. So, hindi manggaling sa akin.
It's been sorry.
So kung ang tao na mayor ang pupunta at mag-alsa,
So, I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na, take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor. Samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating record. We will ask. Tapos ganun. I will follow.
As the former president, do you see David Tito Maestro?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may mga ganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not
No nothing.
to enjoy just
No nothing.
You're just airing out as a citizen.
Mayor,
I mean,
to enjoin them to opt out,
what?
from supporting what you said was Durog is the president. Are you not going to enjoin them to opt out?
That civilian na ako. I have no authority to order
No, not
them to
order, but just to enjoin them or
and I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailang kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Kayo magsabi, yes sir, we are a loyalist bunch of sabihin ko sa Pilipino, taga Davao, sabi nitong mga military natin, okay daw. Ang critical dyan is alam nila na durugista si Presidente. Hindi nila, tanungin lang nila yung kaya isang kita mo kung hindi bangag. Tama isang gwardiya dyan sa Presidential Guard nag-suicide. Minumura. If you can tap the fingers and saying, iho, huwag ka na masyado matulog. Kunti na lang. Panahon. Ano kung ako yun. Isin mo, huwag ka muna tulog. Kape ka lang. Murahin mo. Kaya puta napahiya. Sundalo, napakamatay.
Meron din na ang Colonel Mayor na
Nabaril. Sa argument yun. Ito ang argument about the present situation. I do not know whose side was the Colonel.
Mayor, yung PSG
Was with.
Mayor, what happened pala sa PSG na nag-suicide?
Colonel? Hindi man nagsuicide yun.
Yung PSG.
Yung PSG nagsuicide. Minura niya.
Ni
Ni Mrs. Marcos.
kailan yan, Mayor?
kailan Mayor?
Bago lang.
Inatago ba nila?
Siguro mga 2 months pa lang ako na umalis.
Mayor, may dito paas daw, paano mag-react si Browner? Kasi ang sister daw ni Browner ay na-appoint ng Court of Appeals.
So, Browner is a non-reactive soldier.
Mayor, going back, what
Alam mo, depende yan kang Browner. How he looks at kung pabor siya sa bayan at alam niya he would insist na matino, wala man tayong magawa. That is his view. Now, for the others,
Mayor, from this happy news po, as a former president, how will you help your people from these sufferings?
again ma'am,
As a former president, how will you help your people from these sufferings?
suffering. Ma'am, sinasabi ko na ngayon, there is a fracture. There's a fracture now in the governance of Marcos. It cannot be remedied. There is no relief in sight. It is only the military who can correct it. How? I do not know.
But how if,
Sila man yung protector ng konstitusyon. So, bahala sila.
what if the military will not do something, sir?
Di palakpakin. Let us applaud the military. We applaud the military for doing nothing.
Do you think, Mayor, takot sila?
Well, we'll slap our hands and say that the military is takot. Yes, sinabi mo eh.
Hindi po ba sila nabusalan?
Hindi ko sinabi yan. Ikaw ang nagsabi.
What is the worst manifestation?
Siya yan, oh. Hindi ako.
What is the worst manifestation or element of silent martial law that you can now see in this government?
Hindi naman talaga martial law because martial law is something like
Silent martial law.
martial law is a military takeover. Mayroon akong i-suggest. Itong fracture na ito, mabigat to. Because ang nasa taas sa Congress, tambalos-los, pati ang presidente, they're now trying to be in cahoots. They would attempt to change the constitution. Diyan na magulo dyan talaga dyan. And to make Martin from speaker mag-transition to si Martin mag-transition to speaker to the parliamentary prime minister. And there is the ceremonial president na lang si Marcos.
So what's your reaction for the possibility of no L next year? No election. The possibility.
It can be possible. Wala yung cards wala sa Pilipino. It's in the card. The cards is being held by Martin Romualdez and President Marcos.
Mayor, drugs na issue na kuan po ni PNP Chief Marvin na nagpagawa siya statement before nga ang mga drug users daw kaya dili addict. Unsa po'y comment na to ani?
Nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime.
Nagagamit lang daw para mag-overtime or extend ang ilahang oras sa pagpanarbaho. From the PNP Chief mismo.
Ang nag-ano
Ang mga
Ang mga nagagamit daw og drugs kay dili daw addict. Nagagamit lang daw sila, labi na daw sa mga trabahante para lang nag-extend ang ilahang oras sa pagpanarbaho.
maganda yan. Maganda yan. So, what is an addict? And what is not an addict? An addict who uses shabu and continues to hit, inom. But the other kind of addict is trabaho, hit, para hindi makatulog, hit. Tapos at the end of the day, siya ang kakainin ng makinarya niya. Kasi sabog na siya. Siya na yung papasok doon sa oil mill o sa furnace.
But Mayor, would it help if one person there, like si Martin Romualdez, would give up on his dream on becoming president in 2028?
Wala na, I don't think so.
Wala nang pag-asa.
Wala nang ano, ngayon, mayroon akong suggestion sa military. Pero, hindi ko muna bitawan dito. After I shall have talked to the military, magpunta man ako ng Maynila, I'll be frank with them, ilagdan ko yung baraha, pareho rin dito, pero much more, dalhin ko yung mga tao na ganito ang nangyari sa pera natin, pati itong gold reserve natin, oh. Ilan na ba ang dollar piso?
59.
So may plano kayo Mayor na puntahan ang
25 tons.
magpunta ng Camp Aguinaldo? Meron kayong plano? Naka-schedule na ba?
Ako?
Opo.
Hindi ako punta ng...
Yung sabi mo kausapin mo, military.
Sa ibang lugar. Hindi doon. Pero hindi rin tago. Yung freewheeling discussion. Para sabihin nila nagaplano ka ng kudita o rebellion. Ayaw ko yan eh. Kasi naging presidente nga ako.
But you are optimistic na the military will talk or meet you?
Ayaw ko rin kung yung gusto lang. Yung kita ko na who share my same. Kasi ako hindi naman nag-agitate talaga ng forcible removal.
Pero wala pang schedule Mayor.
Kailan, sir?
Wala ako, malapit na. I don't know kailangan walis.
Would you have an appointment with General Bronner about this and talk man-to-man about this issue sa kanya?
The general,
Bronner.
it's useless. It's useless. He cannot talk for himself.
So, ibang general, sir.
Hindi rin. Dito ako sa baba. Might as well talk to the lieutenant colonels,
The ground commanders.
lieutenant colonels, and major and down.
The ground commanders.
What
Marami
if
bang
they do a
nagpapahiwatig
loyalty
ngayon
check,
na
Mayor?
takot lang?
Ha?
Sa mga mababang posisyon, marami bang nagpapahiwatig ngayon pero takot lang sila because sa chain of command?
Dismiss ko siya po.
You know, to the military, of course there is the military discipline. But if you can talk, if it is really to the interest of your country, why should you not?
Mayor,
Can they
Like,
resort
ano ka-
to loyalty check, Mayor?
Again?
They, among themselves, they're going to do loyalty check. The military.
It's not my business to have a loyalty check. It is for the military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Ano yung phrase, protector of the Constitution, that's a very sacred. What does it mean to them and what does it mean to tayong mga tao?
Hindi ba mahirap on your part, Mayor? Like, nung panahon ni, ng diktador noon, madali kasi everybody was in Manila. Right now, the Dutertes are based in Davao. Hindi ba mahirap to mobilize or...
Hindi sila maniwala. Ako may pera ako. But why would I waste my money going there? Wala naman akong kita. Ang ginagamit kong pagkain ngayon, yung retirement ko, malaki nga. Pero I am now 80.
Okay.
Kung mag-abot ako ng 90, saan ako kuha ng pera? You think that retirement can sustain medisina pati lifestyle ko?
Ano lifestyle mo, Mayor?
Iyot.
Sir, even your fracture, but you are part of the whole. What is the
Ang
equation?
pagkaroon?
Iyot.
Gusto ba na nagagabihin na? Even the fracture, but you are still part of the whole. What is the equation?
No more. Leave me out. Ayaw ko na. I'm just give a statement. Bahala kayo.
Mayor, what do you expect after meeting with some of the military officials o officers yung sinasabi? What do you expect from them after the meeting? After meeting them?
Military?
Yes po.
Wala ako sa military. Sabihin ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila that they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict, na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi alam nila yan. And they can always check it out with the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kanilang trabaho yan protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if we protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo, yun ang masunod.
Will you
Mayor, after
ask the
Thursday-
military that question, Mayor?
Again,
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now? Na the protector and are you going to ask them that?
sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na, sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking. I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. And that itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information eh. Saan na naman ang pera namin? So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then, and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito, PhilHealth, contribution namin ito sa individual eh. Kayo walang hindi sa PhilHealth. Tanungin ko sa iyo ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So yung ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo, saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan? Ayuda. Hindi mo man ibigay yan sa tao kasi ginakuha yan sa bulsa natin para sa kung magkasakit tayo. If you spend it for some other way, that is malversation. And that I will tell ang sundalo, sabihin ko sa kanya, that is malversation.
Do you demand PhilHealth na mag-explain ito? Yung PhilHealth, do you demand na mag-explain ito sa public? Because of this?
Mag-explain ako sa public?
And then,
Bubulahin kayo niyan.
Mayor, nag-comfort kayo kay VP Inday after ng Thursday na
Duduwala ka kayo. Tigas ang babae yan. Kamaldita niyan. Dood lang.
What's your
Kaya
reaction ng yung administration na hindi daw kayo isasubmit sa ICC, but if you are willing daw, makikipag-coordinate daw sila?
I heard Mr. Marco say that if he wants to submit himself to the ICC, we cannot do anything. Mr. Marcos, Presidente ka man, look at it. Wala akong problema. Insignificant rin ako dyan eh. But if you are going to recognize ICC, you're eroding the sovereignty of the country. Mas mabuti pa, wag ko lang idama yung bayan. Back up na lang ako, tapos kung may mag-tweet na taga-ICC, bigyan ako ticket. Doon ako sa korte nila, mag-exhibition ako. Sabihin ko man lang sa ICC, sino ang taong pinatay ko, pinakauna? Anong pangalan? Saan? Anong ginamit ko? At anong rason? Tapos, sinong pangalan ng tao na pinatay ko last? Bago umalik ako pagka-presidente. Saan? Bakit? At anong ginamit ko?
So you're willing to face the ICC?
Ay,
So kung
At yung pinakagitna, nasabi mo,
na may exportan daw na ginuo ang DOJ to investigate.
so what I said that I ordered the killings?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Tinanong mo sana sino, saan, paano, at anong araw. Kasi yung kamatayan tayo, kada patay niyan, tatanong kita kung ano ang nangyari.
Thousands yun.
O ano, pag-preparar ka ng, hindi kayo pwede maglay.
But on the investigation na binubuo ng DOJ.
Di, ang investigations, nandoon ka sa pulis. Huwag ka man kumuha kaya ang pulis man tiga-investigar. O, doon mo malaman.
Did you fight the hook ba during the
Wala naman doon na extrajudicial killing, care of Rudy Duterte. Trillanes, huwag mo na lang, ako gusto kong patulan. Pero, alam mo talaga, hopelessly bugok. Talagang, wala ka rin makuha eh. No use to engage a person na dreamer.
But they're saying you did a lot in biting. Personally, did you bite the hook while they were fishing?
Ano?
They're saying that you admitted a lot and you were saying that they are into fishing expedition. Have you remembered a moment na you bite the hook of the Congress?
Kayo, nakikinig man kayo.
Ikaw.
Wala nakikinig man kayo. Was there, did I take the hook? Bait? Saan?
When you said that you ordered the killing,
Oh,
and also when you said that there was a
the killing of what? Chickens ang sinabi ko doon. Hindi ko man may ano. Alam mo naman sabihin ko, look, because they were stupid persons ask me questions. I was answering them stupid answer. But what did you admit? Yes, I would admit what? Because they would like to hear na anong gusto nilang what would like to hear. So binigay ko sa kanila, yes, I admitted killings. 1,000. Pagdating so what about the statement? Good look. If you ask a silly question, you get a silly answer. If you're an ignoramus, you get an ignorant. When I said thousands of chickens. Marami kong pinatay.
Mayor, on the lighter note, anong feeling nakatabi kayo ni De Lima?
Wala, hindi ko talaga, matagal ko na-realize.
Na-realize na,
Hindi kasi ganun siya palagi. Hindi talaga there was never a time nagganon siya. Tignan mo ang camera ulit.
Almost mo ipinato yung mic. Ano siya? Consent.
Kaya ano kasi yung mic nakatali pala. Binunot ko ng ganon. Ito sana kaya walang ano. Yung microphone ba may pag ganon ko tali.
Mayor, nasaktan daw po sa Dilima, sinabihan yung wakwak.
Wala akong sinabi niya, Noy. Ano sinabi ko daw? Doon sa ano? O, bitaw.
Mayor, ano po ang reaction natin tungkol sa sagot ni President PBBM na sa pagtatangka ni VP Sara, sabi ni PBBM yung ganyang kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinapalampas. Any reaction?
Huwag niyang panampasin. Anong gawin niya? Gawin niya yung gusto niya. Maniwala ka dyan kay... Hindi ako sumasagot kay Trillanes. Alam mo kung sino nagsabi? Yung premier. Sagutin niya kasi... Yung players na nasa baba dyan. Sa Manila, kasi Lorenzana. Tugong patulan.
Mayor, nakikita mo yung sa mga social media ng mga reaksyon ng mga tao pag ang balita ay sa government, yung mga reaction nila is